Hey everyone, welcome back. This is George, Florida Railroad Dog from the Romanico Railroad. And I haven't put out a video in a while. I've been real busy with work and getting my dog recertified. But I want to show you what I did. I'll show some pictures of the old elevated line. It was kind of wobbly and I was losing power in certain areas. And it was too close to the middle. I had to look over to see the cities and stuff like that. So what I did is I extended it outward up against the wall on one side and a little bit further out into the Hialeah yard on the other side. I did a lift bridge. My two bottom lines are lino lift up bridges. But my elevated line, I used to have it on the trestle bridge, and I had to disconnect it with wires and stuff like that. So I decided to do a lift bridge. I'll show you that. So I could, once I lift it up, I could take the two bottoms out and I could just walk through. And it's a lot simpler, a lot easier, especially at my age. Well, let me turn the camera around and show you what I did. Okay, for starters, I built new frames with 1x6s, and here I put the hinge. See, my bottom lines are lino pop-ups, so I could just disconnect it, just pop them up. So this bridge would just lift up once I take those two out, and I could just walk through instead of having to disconnect and the wires. I don't know if you remember, I used to have the shed here, and I used to have to disconnect all the wires and stuff like that. I also, a buddy of mine had given me some Gargraves track, and what I did is I upgraded to Atlas 056 on the outside. So I redid the outside line, and then I built the new platform, put it up against the wall. I don't know if you can remember, before it used to be right here. I built the platform up against the wall, did all the wiring underneath the platform there, and I put I put lights. I like this platform better. Sturdier, the track is straighter, and it hides all my wires better. So as you can see, it brought the track out further towards the wall, but it still looks good, and it gives me a better view. Before, the track used to obstruct a lot of the places over here. I used to have one of the support beams on top of the barn. Now I get great power. And as you can see, I redid all the supports. And then I build another platform on this side with lights. Remember, I used to have the big building. I took away the big building and I added this Woodland Scenics depot station, if you will. And I just moved some buildings around. I can still reach back here, get everything I need. Before, it used to be further this in, and it was harder reaching over and above. I love the way it came out. It looks a lot better, a lot neater. And then I added fencing on this. I know you don't put fence on the bridge, but it's my railroad. Like everybody says, your railroad, you do what you want. So I'm back on this side, and what I did was, I didn't want to get rid of this building, so I built this platform, put lights, and then I put the Roman Nico Railroad, Florida East Coast Yardmaster Tower there. And basically, took me about 2 weeks to redo this, the whole elevated line thing. Let's get some trains running. You can see I get no power losses, no power drops. Everything is nice and consistent. I love the sound it makes when it goes over that wood, that deep sound. It looks really nice. And it runs perfect. Well, there she is. I hope you guys enjoyed it. See what I've been doing the last week and a half. I want to thank all my subscribers and supporters. Thanks again. Happy railroading. Bye.